So first of all, we will go to our Azure portal. In our Azure portal, we will go ahead and create an email communication service resource. So we'll search for email communication services and we will click create. The subscription is pay as you go. My existing subscription. Resource group, I do not have any resource group created. So for this service, let me create email a resource group SMTP relay, email SMTP relay. So click on OK. Resource group location you need to select. So based on your location you can select here. So I will select India, Central India. All right, name of this service, this resource is I need to put so email SMTP relay, mark it as 1. Region is global. Data location, I need to select India. This is the location. It depends upon your location, the nearest location that you want to choose. We'll click next. We will not use any tags for now. Next, and it is running final validation. So you can click on create and this email communication resource is created. Resource group is also created, email SMTP relay, and it is in deployment. All right, so this deployment is completed. So you can see the details of the deployment. It is SMTP relay 1 is the resource created. Now next step, go to the resource. Go to resource. So you can see it took you to the resource group. So if you want to use different location, so you can use this resource. Now we will quickly look into the cost estimation of how much it will cost for sending the emails. So I have already opened this pricing calculator. So we'll click on Azure Communication Services and we will move down to the email section. So chat, it supports everything. So we'll move down to the email section and maybe I put this value in number of emails that I'll send and the average size of the email. Suppose I'll keep it 30 MB. So it will cost you per email this much 0.0002 25 cents or 0.00025 cents. Sorry, I cannot convert it right now. So for 30 MB into number of these emails sent, and it will cost you this much. So total cost would be $3,850. So this is completely dependent on how many emails you are sending so in a month. So if you are sending like 1 million emails, it will cost you $385. If you send 2 million of them, so it will cost you $770. So this is the cost estimation. Now this depends upon your budget, how much you want to spend. So that is the cost calculator that you can use to calculate. Mostly all the emails are not 30 MB, so maybe you use it like 3 MB of the emails, so the cost will significantly drop. So $122, it is still manageable. So this is what you can explore on your organization's end, and the better is you go and chat with the sales agent on Microsoft. All right. All right.